Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today is kind of my first day where I get a little time to relax for myself, and I'm sitting here where I'm staying in the backside of the pool, and just wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on, and now it is a fact that I am going back to the Philippines. Like I said in my earlier video, I have a few things I want to do before I go, and especially go and meet up with my grandchildren. I have in Tampa area, actually in St. Petersburg, Clearwater. I have 4 grandchildren from my second daughter, and I'm going to go and see them tomorrow around 11:30. Once they're getting out of church, and I might try to get to the church as well, which is a good thing sometimes. But anyway, I'm going to take them to McDonald's or somewhere and go and have a little lunch and do that. So that's part of my plan before I return to the Philippines. Secondly, once I'm down there, I have a few things. I turned 65 a few months ago. I'm going to file for my Social Security next week. Try to get all that done and over with before I leave, and go back to Philippines for a little bit. And we have touched on issues like living in the Philippines on a budget and all that. And as many of you know, Social Security ain't the best unless you paid in for many years. I lived in the United States from 1992 pretty much till 2015-16, when I started traveling around a little bit. Actually 2015, and I started traveling around a little bit, and I spent a little bit of time in Philippines, and obviously I got married, and that's another issue. It's not just that my wife prefers to stay in Philippines, but for a Filipino married to a I would say legal citizen of the United States. I hold a green card. I never filed for citizenship. I just didn't feel like it at the time. The Swedish government at the time, when I was thinking about it, didn't allow dual citizenship. That has later on changed, so at this point I could actually file for U.S. citizenship if I wanted to. But I think I'm just going to stay the way it is. I have all the opportunities that any American citizen has, except I can't vote on a federal level. So I don't see any need to do that. And most likely, since we bought land in Visayas and Philippines and all that, most likely we're gonna spend or the rest of my life in that area. And I can't wait to get back and start blogging again. I know I've been slacking on my blogging being here. That's been really tough, actually, to try to get a lot of that done in between all the work that had to be done and so on. But now I'm heading back, and I'm really excited, so I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update. And I'm finalizing my little things here with a full schedule over the next week, trying to accomplish personal stuff that needs to be done, and then I'm going to head to Virginia. And like I said, I have 3 kids in Virginia, and 4 grandkids there as well, and them I saw last year. my grandkids that I'm going to go and see tomorrow in Clearwater, I have actually not seen in 5 years, so it's going to be exciting to see them and meet them again. Little Victoria was just a baby when I left and went to Philippines, so it's going to be cool. That's just a quick little update, guys, and once I get back to Philippines, we're going to start doing some real vlogging again. Me and my wife were talking about going up to Baguio and travel around in Zambales and up that coastline and just enjoy ourselves once we get there, and at the same time provide some fun content for everybody. We're also going to get back to places to live. We created a category on YouTube we call Places to Live in Philippines, just to provide a little bit of information and service and things for those of you who might want to move to Philippines. If you haven't subscribed already to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once I get back you will get a lot of information that is going to pertain to life in the Philippines and lifestyle costs and so on. And that's one of the other reasons I'm actually going back to Philippines, and I want to be in the Philippines, not only because I'm married there, but also it's a comfortable life. It's totally different from the lifestyle. I call it the rat race here. And at my age, 65, 66, you want to start slowing down, so that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, for now, that was just a short little update. We'll keep you posted. I'll probably post a video from my meeting with my grandkids tomorrow, just to give you a little personal information. I like to be personal with my viewers, and we're going to just show some fun tomorrow. All right, for now. God bless. Bye-bye.